Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here and I'm super excited that you're back. Before you continue watching this video, if this is your first time here, please click on that subscribe button. I will truly appreciate it. Thank you guys. So a lot of people tell me that my place is always clean for the majority of the time. Yes, it is. But on this day, it was not that perfect. So I'm going to take you guys and we're going to clean my bedroom. We're also going to clean my guest bedroom upstairs and downstairs. So right now I'm just fixing up my bed, just making sure that it's cozy and comfortable. I took some of the covers from the cushions off, so I put it into the laundry machine to get it all clean. And we have like a slumber party because usually on Saturday or Friday night we will have slumber parties because the kids don't go to school Saturday morning. So that's what we did. And usually we'll eat in my room because I don't want them messing up the rest of the house. So everything will be in my room here. So we're just picking things up here and getting this place situated. How is you guys day going? How do you keep your place clean? Is it always in perfect condition even if you have a minimal home like I do? Or do you sometimes get it dirty? Sometimes I allow it to be dirty so I have something to do, right? So this is my guest bedroom, if you're wondering, and we usually don't come here. This is for guests only. However, my husband would like to come here and hide to get away from the rest of the family. So that's why you saw the bed was messy. Apart from that, there's nothing really in that room to get messy. So now I just moved downstairs and cleaning the TV and getting that entertainment center cleaned up. It's not really dirty, but I can see the fingerprints on the TV. I can also see the fingerprints everywhere else. I know I'm a professionalist and let's keep it that way because I don't function if it's not that way, right? Sometimes you're in your home and you know what's dirty and other people don't see it. However, you do. So that's what I'm doing right now, just refreshing things. I like to fluff the cushions and just clean the table, remove any type of fingerprint and dust, and vacuum before we go to sleep. So in order for me to keep my home, clean, I always pick up after myself at night just to make sure that everything is all good to go. And I also keep minimal decor so that I don't have to dust a lot or clean a lot. This is how we able to maintain our home clean, and also this helps us to spend more time with our kids. I love having movie nights with the kids and spending time upstairs with hubby instead of cleaning. So I just keep very minimal decoration here. I have my 4 pillows, as you have seen this previously in my videos, and I just keep it that way. I vacuum the place, and even if you don't see any dirt, I do. Like I mentioned, I just like it fresh. When we come downstairs in the morning, it's clean. All I have to do is make breakfast and clean. And here is the guest restroom that is downstairs. It's like a powder room, and the kids usually love using this one. So that's why you will see a lot of fingerprints and soap on the mirror, and that bothers me a lot. So this is what it looks like. It's simple. I just have some toilet papers up there and some flour, and still I have my fall my fall hand towel there. Don't judge me, guys. It's there for a purpose. So this is my entryway. I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum and clean it. It wasn't that dirty. I just could see a little bit of leaves from outside and shoe prints. So I just like to vacuum and just keep it fresh that way. And I'm just gonna empty out the trash and take it out. It's not fully full, but it was starting to smell, and that is not good for a clean house. When you get everything clean and your trash smells, there's no purpose in cleaning your house. So I just got rid of that, and I'm gonna go upstairs now and get over there cleaning. So guys, have you seen my new video that I just posted? If you have not seen it, please go ahead and check it out. It basically speaks why I went minimal, and I hope that can encourage you guys if you're overwhelmed in your home with cleaning and having a lot of clutter. I hope that video can definitely inspire you. But I really enjoy being minimal. It helps me being sane, having my sanity back instead of spending my Saturday cleaning every day, because I work Monday to Friday. I can just come home and enjoy with my family because there's not much to clean there and the home is always clean. So I hope that video will definitely inspire you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust the surfaces. It's what is mostly dirty. It's just the fingerprints on the table and dust. And I'm just gonna refresh the cushions and just put the chairs back where they're supposed to be. But there's not much to clean in a minimal home, guys. When there's no clutter, you don't have to worry about cleaning. But this will be it for my video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this cleaning video. I'm gonna take you guys and show you guys what it looked like when I was done cleaning. I hope you enjoyed. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Bye, guys.